Hello guys. The Nsfas 2026 application are officially opened. Nsfas 2026 applications are officially open now. Application will close on 15 November 2025, as you can check here. And then to apply, guys, for click here for more information. And then to apply, guys, just come and click here to apply now. And then when you click here, it will redirect you here, guys. And then as you can check, Nsfas online application. So you will come here, you will enter your ID and password, and then you log in. If it's your first time, you will click create profile, and then first name, last name, ID number. Are you married? Yes or no? Are you disabled? Yes or no? Race, province, hometown, applicant email, applicant contact, and then you come and tick here to understand the terms and conditions. And then you create a password and then confirm a password. I'm not a robot. And then you proceed to apply for funding here. If you lost your password, and then you will click here, and then you enter your ID, and then you choose whether you want to reset your password via SMS, email, security question, or biometrics. And then you click I'm not a robot, and then you send code. So guys, I will leave the application link on the description, and then I will also for those who want to know more about the Nsfas, I will also leave the link on the description. And then also for those who want other bursaries, I will also leave the link for bursaries open for 2026 application. And then guys, I wish you all good luck. Please subscribe to my channel for more content, education content, please, or jobs content. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.